chlorine, odors, VOCs, and chemicals from liquids and gases through a process called absorption. Contaminants stick to the carbon space internal surface area, making it crucial for water filters, air purifiers, and industrial processes.
Very interesting project. Carbon emissions is one of the biggest environmental threats. Our innovative project shows how carbon can be purified using a simple yet powerful method. This can be a game changer for whole industries worldwide. These are the materials to be used: lithium battery, water bottle, water carrier for water pump and pipes, silicon PVC and PVC plus cable, cardboard box, food container, fiberglass, cotton, paper, finished orange. What are the benefits? Carbon purification offers benefits like removing chlorine, odors, VOCs, and pesticides from water and air. Clean taste, health, protection, by having the contaminants through the carbon's internal gas, making this a personalized, cost-effective, and eco-friendly project for most industries.
Until the styrofoam. Now we cut out an entrance. Then we place a bottle above the top of a bottle onto the cardboard box. Then we connect the elbow pipe to the container. Then inside the container there are a lot of filters that contains a fiberglass and cotton. Then on top of the container there is a mini fan to let the air come out. So, the factory produces carbon dioxide, so a hidden fan in the cardboard box will suck all the unpurified air, and the air will travel through the pipes, going into the filter, which it will filter, then it will come out from here.